Good morning. Now, today I am explain the important questions of the chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So, your first question is explain any three characteristics of tropical evergreen forest. I will explain you six or eight points only. Points only. As your wish, write any. Either the question come in 2 marks, 3 marks, 3, 4 marks, 5 marks. Either you can write 5, 6 or 7 points. If you don't know these that points, write only 4 or 5 points. Because 4 and 5 points are so much too much easy. So your first point is कि वहाँ पर रेन क्या होती है मोर देन 200 सेंटीमीटर. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. सेकंड पॉइंट कि वो कहाँ कहाँ पे होती है. बंगाल, ओडिशा, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न. जो यहाँ पे ट्रीज होती है वो कितनी हाइट से उगते हैं. 60 सेंटीमीटर या उससे अबव. 1 to 3 पॉइंट्स कवर. सम ऑफ द वहाँ पे जो मेन ट्रीज के नेम कौन से होते हैं जो उस फॉरेस्ट में उगते हैं ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन में. एम्बोनी, महगोनी एंड रोजवुड. फिफ्थ पॉइंट. I will write sixth point as well as. It is also known as इसको कहा जाता है रेन फॉरेस्ट, ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. ओके. सेवेंथ पॉइंट. एनिमल कौन कौन से पाए जाते हैं वहाँ पर. माइंड दैट. लॉयन, टाइगर, पिग, डियर, एलिफेंट, birds, lizard, snake. 7 points cover. 8 point. They do not shed their leaves. Ninth point. Forests are found in warm region. Okay, then the next your point I will. Yes. 10th point. There is a short dry season. There is a short dry season and long rainy season. Okay. 10th point will we cover. So I think that will be sufficient for you in this portion. और ये 11th point लिख लो. You can write point. These forests are restricted to heavy rainfall. Okay. I will see you one thing also. You can write this with this method. Note that. Rainfall 200 centimeter, height up to 60 areas. Main animal, they do not shed their leaves. Okay, mostly points are covered from that. Or next point is these are also known as rainforest. Next point, these forests are restricted to heavy rainfall. trees के बारे में हो गया, they do not shed their leaves. that point. अगला point ये हो गया कि these forests are very dense, so the rainfall are not, so the sunlight are not come on the trees properly. That point you can write. I think I will tell you 12 points. Mind that. 12 or 10 point, 11 points I will tell you. So learn that all. Mm. Characteristics of thorn forest. Same. So you can learn that only. 5 6 points. 70 सेंटीमीटर तक रेनफॉल की होगी बात. उसके देन ये कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश, राजस्थान, गुजरात. जस्ट लर्न दैट. छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश. इजी है, और सारे हो सकते हैं याद. यहाँ पे प्लांट कौन कौन से पाया जाता है? कैक्टस, कैक्टी, पाम. जस्ट लर्न दैट. ट्रीज आर स्कैटर्ड एंड जो इनकी रूट होती है, रूट वो कहती है लॉन्ग एंड डीप. लॉन्ग होती है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा डीप होती है इनकी. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द जो इनकी लीव्स होती है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही थिक होती है, और जो कि इवेपोरेशन मिनी थोड़े से टाइम में कर लेती है, मिनिमाइज. और जो इनकी स्टेम्स होती है वो कंजर्व करती है वाटर को. दिस इज द मेन पॉइंट. ऑल आर द वेरी वेरी मेन पॉइंट्स. then you can see that which animals were found in that. That's a rabbit, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, camel, horse, etc. Now in this question I will tell you 8 points. Mind it and write. Write the short note the tropical deciduous forest. So सुनो अभी इसके बारे में. इसमें ये तो होता है मोस्ट वाइड स्प्रेड फॉरेस्ट. इसको हम मॉनसून फॉरेस्ट भी कहा जाता है. सेकंड पॉइंट हो गए. अब इसकी रिसीविंग रेनफॉल होती है 200 to 70 सेंटीमीटर. 3 पॉइंट. और दे शेड देयर लीव्स इनटू द 6 or 8 weeks. These are of two types: moist and dry. Okay, 5 points covered. Next, important trees are bamboo, sal, sandalwood, kher are important species. That point. So common animals were found here: bird, lizard, snake, tortoise are found in the huge variety. 6 points were covered. Okay. Next point is each species has its own shedding leaves. ये शेड करते हैं और हर के पास अपनी अपनी होती है. ओके. और and I will tell you some points. 1 minute. Yes, note down that point. Teak is the example of the dry deciduous forest. Sal is the example of the moist that one, in the dry deciduous forest, these are the rainfall that are found between the 100 and the 70 centimeter. In the moist deciduous forest, the rainfall are found in the 100 to 200 centimeter. 3, 3, 6, 7, and 9. 9 points are covered. 9 points are covered. I will also explain this, okay? Means that question will cover. That question will cover. That that question will cover. That question will cover. So 4 questions are. Next, flora and fauna. Flora means flower or plant. Fauna, animals, species. फ्लोरा, इंडिया में कितने हैं? 47,000 प्लांट्स. और फाउना में एनिमल्स कितने हैं? 89,000 एनिमल्स आर देयर इन आवर इंडिया. नेक्स्ट, you can write it with yourself. Okay, I will give you just deep, not deep, brief explanation. 60-meter height, 50-meter height. Ebony, rosewood are the examples. Important trees, ये सारे इसके आगे important trees. ये more than 275 to 200 centimeter. We read that 70 to 200. You can write here 70 centimeter. Okay. They do not shed their leaves. They shed their leaves into the 6 or 8 months. You can write all points. And you can also write the example, 5th point of animals. Here is elephant. Here is lizard. Here is bird. Here is deer. Monkey and so on. ये सारे points लिखना है आपको. That point also question will cover. How are forests useful to man? Forest give us product. Natural environment. Forest provide us natural environment for wildlife which the animal can eat the forest and fill their stomach. Livelihood for the tribal people. Soil erosion. Soil erosions means when we know that the roots of the plant have the stability to hold soil, so that point. Humus, the humus होता है the dead and decaying plant and animal which provide fertility to the plant. For example, I will give you the brief example of that. For example, in the ancient time, there is the more species of the dinosaurs. So the government ने एक बम गिर दिया जिससे all the dinosaurs and the people of that generation will kill. So the next generation human can दफना दिया उनको जमीन में. After the 1,000 years ago, when the people can dug and उनका skeleton निकालेंगे, so under that he provide humus to the soil and increase the fertility of the soil. Might you cover it? Okay. That question will cover. So thank you students, all questions are covered. Bye bye. 1 minute.